Hi, RCVNs! We are here at Barangay Tabindagat, Ojongan, Romblon. Let's go! Hello, good morning! Ay, bakit kayo tumatakbo? Hi! Pwede pahinga sir?
Yeah, sure.
Inyip kapaligiran. Alright! Uy, dito kayo!
And what's your name?
Okay na po. Okay. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of the REC Speaks Pride for the Planet edition. And today we are celebrating a meaningful activity in celebration of the Pride for the Planet 2025. And today we will be roaming around the area to ask random questions to our volunteers. Tara!
Anong haba? Ano gani?
Ano hai?
Hello, good morning po sa ating mga volunteers. Ayan. So, hello, and what's your name?
Dave Lota po.
Jake Padalian. I'm Lan, Sisimadi.
John Lawrence Igalario. Sisimadi po.
Trixie lang po, BSNE.
Lydel Seron from Engineering po.
King Michael Patino from College of Business and Accountancy po.
Nalhani Tulio po from Accounting Office.
Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan Iscopalaw po. Ako po yung director ng 17 OPIP CDC. 17th RCDG po.
I'm Marco Galos from the Office of the University and Board Secretary.
Claudine Manoy, the Strategic Partnerships Unit Head.
Chief Petty Officer Hermel C. Arroyo of Philippine Coast Guard.
Henry De La Vega po from Student Development and Services Office.
I'm Sheila Menes Urbanias, your South for Finance, head of the Accounting Office.
Fev Eldan, the head of Internal Audit Services Office.
Fev Fajarito from Budget Office.
I'm Ems po Fundibilla from CET.
AB Cuevas from the Office of the Supervising Admin Officer for Administration.
Edgar Fadalian, Mimaropa Kabalikat.
I'm Engineer Samson Moscoso po, MIS and Data Protection Office po.
Martoni Simantes from ARSGO.
My name is Janina Labicane from the International Relations Office.
Jan Rans Mordado.
Vanessa Gadon. Kathleen F.
Jeannie Patino.
Okay, so they are from Penra Romblon, and we have the single question, ma'am. What motivates you and your team to join in this kind of activity?
We motivate on conservation and development of our natural resources, especially the land, water, and marine ecosystem.
Para din po maprotektahan natin yung kalikasan natin at patuloy na maging environmentally aware po ang bawat isa sa atin.
Para sa anak ko, para pag lumaki siya, meron siyang mapupuntahan pa ng mga puno, kagaya ng mga talisay.
For maintaining the cleanliness in coastal areas.
Dahil po sa init na din na nararamdaman tuwing hapon, grabe na po kasi yung init. So kailangan natin magtanim ng madaming puno, ganun po.
To help nature recover from disaster like climate change. Ganun.
Kasi during my time sa senior high school, I was very active sa pagdating sa community engagement kasi nga it is really essential that we serve as role model to other people para mas ma-encourage sila na ingatan ang ating kalikasan because of the current climate change na nangyayari, and it's time to make some changes po.
This is for the nature, this is for our future generations, not only for us. So every time I join this kind of initiative, I always think about that. I always think of our future generation who will inherit this world, and I want them to have a beautiful world. I want them to have a safe world, and I want them to enjoy this kind of environment that we are enjoying today. Because if we are not going to take care of what we have right now, what will they have in the future? So that's what motivates me in joining this kind of initiative.
Growing up near the ocean, I have a big love for the ocean, but I'm saddened by the news that climate change is affecting our oceans, and at the same time, we humans are polluting our oceans. So every day, I try to be part of the solution by doing this kind of activity, which is a cleanup drive. But most importantly, we should encourage others also to prevent pollution aside from cleaning, because that is a band-aid solution. So we must focus on a long-term solution, which is pollution prevention or addressing the problem at its root. So that's why I'm really motivated to do this.
This event, isa kami dapat na laging magsusuporta at laging tutulong sa ganitong event kasi isa rin sa mandato namin na pamangalagaan at mapanatiling malinis ang ating coastal areas at mapanatili na safe ang ating marine environment, ating karagatan.
I think what motivates me the most is to help the environment because I believe that the action really starts with us because I really believe that making micro effect can make a macro effect to the environment.
Nature lover din kasi ako. Mahilig ako pumunta sa mountains, sa dagat. So, syempre, sino pa ba magbe-benefit kung aalagaan natin yung coastal area natin?
Yung nag-motivate po sa akin to join this event is especially I'm agricultural and biosystem engineering. So, maganda to po sa amin na encouragement as bilang agriculture na i-protect at palaguin yung ating kalikasan.
Of course, caring for our Mother Earth is our duty, no? So all of us should be aware of this obligation to care for our Mother Earth because we only have one planet that we live, of course. Let us join this kind of activity because it's very important for us to care for our Mother Earth because, of course, we love our future generation. So it's for them, no? For the future generation to have this still clean and livable planet.
That thing that mainly motivates me in joining this kind of activity, syempre, is the environment. No? As a school that promotes SDG po, we are mainly responsible for protecting the mother nature and the environment. So, I'm happy to join this kind of events.
Ang motivation ko talaga today is my 6-year-old daughter kasi she always reminds me that we should protect our environment. So this is my way of showing her that I stand with her and everyone who advocates for the protection of our planet.
So what motivates me to join these kinds of events such as the Pride for the Planet and every environmental event ng RSU is really our commitment to environmental stewardship, our commitment to maintain or protect or preserve Mother Earth.
Thank you, Doc Nina. And any message to the community when it comes to environmental preservation?
Environmental preservation is not just the job of one or a few, but of all of us. So let's come together and let's save Mother Earth.
Pahalagahan po natin ang ating mahal na kalikasan.
Maging responsable lang po sa bawat bagay.
Lalo na sa mga basura, sa pagtapon ng mga basura.
Para din po ito sa ating Mother Nature po. Dahil po sa atin po magmumula or tayo po yung mismong mag-aalaga po. Then tayo din po ang makikinabang po nito sa future po.
Sana po ang ating mga kababayan ay magiging aware din po para po sa kabutihan ng ating mundo, lalong-lalo na po malabanan po natin ang global warming. So itong ginagawa po natin ngayon na Clean Up Drive ay isang bahagi lamang po ng ating ginagawa para maproteksyonan po ang ating kalikasan po.
Let's work hand in hand for our conservation of our natural resources.
Patuloy po nating suportahan po ang programa po ng RSU and even po yung ating local government unit po in terms po sa pagprotekta sa ating karagatan at kapaligiran po.
Huwag tayong mapagod sa patuloy na pagprotekta by doing our small things sa bahay, recycling, and even yung segregation.
Kami po ay tuwang-tuwa at kami ay nagiging stakeholder ng Romblon State University kahit noon pa man. At tutulong kami dahil yan po ang aming mandato at advocacy ng organization.
Malugod po naming ipinaaabot ang pasasalamat ng Romblon State University sa pakikiisa ng Philippine Coast Guard, ng Philippine Army, ng Guardians, Kabalikat Civicom, Romblon, Udjongan, Tablas Chapter, and Mimaropa Chapter. Ang Barangay LGU ay nandito rin po sa atin. Kasama natin ang Barangay Tabing Dagat at ang Barangay Ligaya na mga officers. Ang volunteers group ng Romblon State University, top management ng Romblon State University po ay nandito din nakikiisa. Kasama po ng NSTP group ni Sir Andalicio. Ito po ay taunang ginagawa natin. Pero ngayon po meron tayong kaunting tweak or innovation sa pagsasagawa nito. Nais nating mas marami po ang makakaalam o to raise the awareness of our advocacy for the planet as a response to and mitigation to climate change impact sinasagawa po natin ang mga gawain ito. Pero sa ngayon ay nais nating mas malawak ang range ang maabot natin. Kaya po, ang iba't ibang grupo pagkatapos po ng clean up or while doing the clean up, the coastal clean up, ay gumagawa ng reels o di kaya ay TikTok para po maipost natin ito sa ating Facebook page nang mas marami po ang magkakaroon po ng kamalayan tungkol sa mga gawaing ito. So maraming salamat po, and we are happy to celebrate the Pride for the Planet 2025 in Romblon State University together with the community.
And that's it for our RC Speaks Pride for the Planet edition. Let's continue to work hand in hand to protect Mother Earth. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe the official accounts of the university. Bye!
Pride for the Planet 2025!